Overnight, America's northeast fell under the epic blizzard's wintry spell. The storm lashed New England, shrouding cities like Boston in deep snow, leaving many without power. Across the region, thousands of flights were cancelled, leaving travellers stranded. Canada was also thrashed by the storm, leaving at least 3 people dead. As the blizzard approached, few were taking any chances. In Massachusetts, all traffic was banned from the roads. It's the first time the state has done this since the blizzard of 1978, which crippled the region. The people of New York's Staten Island have learned not to underestimate the power of Mother Nature. Still scarred by last October's Hurricane Sandy, this latest storm is a challenge they didn't need. Across New York, 1,700 plows were out as workers fought to clear the snow as it landed.
What are you expecting from tonight? These machines are going to be pretty busy, huh?
Oh yeah, very busy. Yeah, very busy, especially us, you know.
Undeterred shoppers struggled through the streets, clinging to their soggy purchases.
The advice has been clear: stay off the roads and stay indoors. But if you're a tourist in the Big Apple, the attraction of the bright lights is almost too much to resist, whatever the weather.
We expect that from South Georgia, which is where we're from, and then you come up here and everybody's alarmed about it, so it's like, this really must be something to watch out for. So, but yeah, we're going to a Broadway show tonight, so.
The storm may be strong, but for those affected, the small mercy is it's expected to be brief. Amanda Walker, Sky News, New York.